Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how to create a survey or a form in Airtable. So let's get right into it. As you can see, you can create a form either through forms or clicking here. I'll just click here, and as you can see, you can create a form view if you want to. I'll just name it form. Who can edit? I'll just keep this as is and create a new form. And now, as you can see, you have created a form over here. You can also add fields. If you want to add fields to a table, I'll just add one named field 6 just as an example. But as you can see, the form looks like this, and each of these here fields are a field as a table. So you can add your name, you can add notes, assign this, create a status, do whatever you want. And that is basically the same view as this table right over here. And pretty much that is all you need to do. And once that form has been created, you can then send the form link and have people fill it out. And that is basically all there is to it. It is as easy as that. You can also upgrade to new forms. However, that is not, mandatory, so you can do whatever you want, but that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.